A simple way for somebody new to start with AI is to simply go to Google. And I'm going to actually do it here on screen. So you go into Google and type in ChatGPT. It says introducing ChatGPT. And then you click this, try ChatGPT. And that'll take you to a login page where you create an account and you'll be brought to a page akin to this. Now, this is the question box for ChatGPT. So you can ask it anything. You could say, give me a list of things I can do to improve my health. And it'll tell you a collated version of what is good for you. Let's say you're trying to come up with ideas. You could say, give me business ideas related to e-commerce that are successful today. And you can make mistakes along the way. It still understands. Boom, I just got a bunch of business ideas from him. You could say, give me 10 ideas about an article. I'm just going to leave that. A trickle regarding climate change and its effects on marshland. Fantastic. So I think marshland conservation efforts, that's something that I think I need to write an article about. So then I say, write a full 5,000, let's make it 2,000, it'll take a long time, 2,000 word article about, and boom, I have an article written about that. And it breaks it up into a story flow. It understands how articles are written. It goes through and makes the information easy to read.